YouTube channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified wherever I come up with a new video. Guys, guess what? Today I'm here with jewelry, DIY jewelry making for starters. And guys, these are some of my pendants, and these black strings which I'm going to use. Guys, the reason why I came up with this, like for those wanting to start up jewelry making and business, these things won't disturb you. These black strings, why? They don't fade, they are easy and cheap, they are affordable actually. Okay, and I got some pendants that can match well with these black strings. Okay, these pendants, you see, most of them are butterfly pendants. As you know, butterflies are trending, as in they are very beautiful when they're on a pendant. Okay, so guys, don't sit at home and you say that I have nothing to do, or my husband doesn't allow me to work. There are a lot of things you can do from work, like jewelry making. Okay, and guys, you can post it online and make some good money. All right, so, and I came with this to show you some examples on how to make it. It is very easy, and very easy because you know why these black strings come already accessorized. They put already the accessories at the I mean, they have the locks and these other accessories on them. Okay, so guys, these are very easy to use because they're already accessorized. You only need to put your pendant. As you see, you only need to put your pendant because they are already, like, it's already done. Some people wanted to put it on plain, but to make it more beautiful, I'm going to show you some of the pendants. As you see, these butterfly pendants and these later pendants as well. First, I'll use this blue butterfly for you guys. All right, first I'm going to try with the blue butterfly pendant. Okay, as you know, when we're making jewelry, we need these, guys. We need these. Okay, we need these. So we are going to choose which is suitable for our pendant. Not so small, not so big, and I think we are going to go with number 3. This, open it up. Not so big, not so small. No, I have one on the side. Let me take one here. Yeah, I got one on the side here. So guys, I will get our pendant, this beautiful blue butterfly. Oh, it's falling. So let me first zoom a bit so that you will see very well. So this is our string which we're going to attach to our pendant. Okay, so here it is. We are going to attach it to our pendant. Guys, forgive my fingernails. They are just from henna grew off and left on that tips, but anyways, they still look okay. Okay, so we are going to get this. They are very easy to make actually when you are at home. Very easy, guys. You can make these and supply them to different people. You can even post, as you know, people, you can do online businesses. I also want to try it in my part-time so that I can make some extra income. Wow, guys, this is the blue butterfly on the blue string. Look at this, guys. Look at how it matches. Hope it is showing well. Look at how it matches. Look at that, guys. Let me zoom out. Look at this, guys. Look at this pendant. It is so beautiful. so beautiful. I'm outside and the light is not so favorable, but it's okay. Look at this, guys. I think this is so beautiful. When I find it somewhere, I cannot pass without buying it, because you know, butterflies are so beautiful. So beautiful, guys. Look at that pendant. All right, I'll make another one and I'll show you. As I told you guys, you need to use, for starters, because these are also affordable, the black strings. So if you buy those black strings and start making your small jewelry, with time you can afford better silver and gold. As you know, that sometimes you can buy silvers or golds and they are fake. Okay, and if they are fake, guys, they will rub off and the chain will become, it will be looking crazy. Okay, so I tried this on silver, but for starters I want to show you on this. So I'll put it on our black chain. They look better with the black, that's why I tried them on the silver chain and the gold chain, and they don't, it doesn't give it so good like it is on this black string. And you know, this black string, guys, it does not fade. You will not get complaints from your customers that, oh my goodness, you gave me this, it's fading, blah blah blah. Nothing. No, you will not get such complaints, dears. So this is our second pendant, guys. I have a problem with light, guys. I don't know, I have a problem with light. Okay, guys, this is our second pendant. As you can see, wow, this pendant is so beautiful. So beautiful. Look at it, guys. Look at this colored butterfly, so beautiful. It is a very beautiful pendant, guys. Look at it on one side. Wow. So far these are two pendants, guys. I'll show you different butterflies. The blue looks so good, and this colored, other colored butterfly. Okay, not only that look beautiful on this, okay, because guys, you can get different pendants from different places. I bought mine online and I thank God they came out so beautiful as I saw them on picture, because I'm also starting, guys. This is for starters. I wanted to see if I can make a business with these. Okay, so guys, I want to show you another one, another pendant that was so beautiful on the black string. Okay, this, I think this is like a starfish, guys. It's a starfish. All right, I'll put it here. Mostly for starters, if you don't have enough money and you want to start up a certain business, guys, you can use this. These are affordable, the black strings, and they come fully accessorized with locks at the back and extra chain at the back, so you only have to place on your pendant. Okay, tell me how you not make money, guys. Really, tell me. Okay, you can save a little money slowly by slowly, and then why not, guys? Why not? Look at how beautiful this starfish is. Wow, this is amazing. This has fully matched this so well, guys. Look at this. Look at this pendant. Wow. Look at the starfish, guys. Look at the starfish pendant. It is so beautiful. So beautiful. I don't know how I can show you well because I don't have enough space here, guys. I'm at work and I decided to make myself busy in my free time. Okay, so I want to show you the pendants I've made, and these others also make very good pendants, guys. And if you can use these black strings for starters, guys, you cannot go wrong because they don't fade, and silver is so good. Silver does not fade just like gold. Most golds are fake. I tried out a lot, but I've failed to get a place that can give me genuine gold, though it's at a cheaper price for starters, but I know I will get there. Some people say if you get fake gold, there is a way you polish it and it does not rub off so fast, you know. Wow, guys, look at these. Look at these beautiful pendants. Wow. Wow. Who can leave that out when they come across it? Tell me. Oh, guys, look at those beautiful pendants. Look at that blue butterfly. Look at the starfish. Look at the colored butterfly. Wow. Wow, guys. It's not so hard to make money, but you can start with small money and make something out of it. Look at those pendants. Wow. Guys, thanks for watching my video. See you in my next jewelry making video. It will be different, with different pendants, with some chains, and you will love them as well. Yeah, hope you get inspired and do something at home, guys. Don't sit at home. Make some money from your savings. Make your savings. Don't just keep your savings. Do something and make extra money. Expand your savings. Thanks for watching my video, guys. See you in my next video. Bye. Please don't forget to subscribe.